We are out again. We are in the Mystic Falls here. Yes, I am with my best friend here, my husband. Yes, we are out.
Guys, good. I'll take the yak.
Yes, tell them.
Just have fun.
Let's have fun. Okay, bye. Wait on the other side. So today we are going to spend the day with you here in our falls. Our falls, and enjoy. So as you can see, we are going to show you how we are spending our day. We are so happy. Are you happy?
So happy.
Yes. He's so happy.
You are free to talk to me, but not to seduce me. No, please. I'm for somebody.
Wewe, wewe, hey. Woi. Wewe. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
This is the time, the opportunity. So enjoy yourself. Have fun. Shine your eye.